Hello, everyone. We're at the campsite. It's been raining all day. But we don't mind. The mechanicals love the rain. Green has even made a little boat. She's having so much fun. Oh, go, Green.
Maybe too much fun. Poor little Green has run out of power and needs recharging.
No problem. We'll just use her portable charging bed. Huh? Spinning screwdrivers. No power? The solar-powered charging beds collect their energy from the sun. But there's no sunlight today. We need to find another source of power.
Oh, what if we gather the energy from the rain with a water wheel?
Huh? Great idea, Grandma. We can channel the rainwater to turn the wheel.
And we can use the water wheel to power a dynamo, which turns movement into electricity that we can charge Green. I'll have a look in Miles's hatch. No. Nope. Aha! A dynamo.
Let's do it! What tools do we need? Wrench. Chisel. Gecko's Garage. Time to fix. Gecko's Garage. Let's fix this. The first part of our water wheel scheme is to chisel out a channel to make a stream. Fix spoons to the wheel and the wheel to this pin so the water will give the wheel a spin. The water wheel drives the dynamo, creating electricity to help Green go. Oh, it's working! Green's powered up and ready to go.
And just in time for us to recharge with a nice cup of tea.
Thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. The mechanicals are having a play date with Baby Truck today.
Oh, how sweet! They're pretending Blue's Teddy is a mechanical helping to fix Baby Truck.
They do love to use their imaginations.
Ah, look, they fixed her. Hurrah!
Skiffling screwdrivers. Baby Truck doesn't look very well at all.
Oh, poor thing. You're overheating.
Bless you! Oh, let's get you back to the garage so I can check you over. I just need to take your temperature with a thermometer, Baby Truck. Don't worry, it won't hurt a bit. Nuts and bolts, that is a high temperature.
Here, Gecky, this water will help to cool Baby Truck's engine.
Thanks, Grandma. But I wonder what's making her feel unwell. Look, Grandma! Now I see what's wrong with Baby Truck. Rust spots! There's nothing to fear. It's a very quick fix. And you'll feel better very soon. I promise. Blue, can you play fixing Teddy again while I fix Baby Truck?
Oh, sweet Blue. He's helping Baby feel more comfortable by pretending his Teddy has spots too. And I'll help the performance with my theatre skills, darling.
We will have you fixed up in no time. Oh, look at the mechanicals. They're fixing Teddy. What tools do I need? Sander, spray paint. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. my sander, I can smooth out the rough, rusty spots. A spray of paint will cover the sanded patches and Baby Truck will feel better again. Hello, Mummy Truck. Baby had some rust spots, but don't worry. Grandma and the mechanicals helped me to fix her up, and she was very brave.
Ah, and with some rest at home, she'll soon be back to her sparkly best.
Baby Truck was sick, but feels better now, thanks to your imaginations. So take a bow.
Oh, I think I need a rest now too. Oh, I don't need fixing.
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're making a special pie for Grandma to thank her for all she does for us. The Gecko family's secret recipe. First, we make the pastry.
Hello, dears. Grandma's here.
Spinning screwdrivers. Grandma's here early. I'll distract her while you finish making the pie. Grandma! We weren't expecting you so soon.
I couldn't wait to see you all.
Perfect timing. I really need your help with, Tilly.
Of course, Gecky. But where are my mini metal ones? I must say hello.
No time! Tilly is very, sick.
Oh, Tilly. Let me look at you, dear. Tilly's engine is running smoothly and her oil tank is full.
Maybe check her exhaust. Great job, Mex. Now quickly, tidy up before Grandma sees.
Well, Tilly seems absolutely fine, Gecky. But are you okay?
Oh, no! The power in the garage is down and the oven can't finish cooking the pie!
What pie?
Oh, we wanted to make a special surprise pie to say thank you for all you do for us.
Oh, my darlings, how lovely. Don't worry. Every problem has a solution. We just need some ideas.
I know! We'll use the dynamo to generate electricity and power the oven.
Yes! Bright spark, my Gecky.
What tools do we need? Screwdriver. Jack! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. As Miles's wheel rotates, it will turn this dynamo, which creates electricity as it spins.
Yee-haw! Now we're cooking. I can't wait to try some delicious pie. Well done, little ones. I can see you've used the most important ingredient of all, love.
Our grandma is special, and that is why our gesture of love is baking a pie. Goodbye, everyone.
What's in this pie?
Hello, everyone. We're having a picnic at the lake today. Green and blue are rowing in their boat, and red and yellow are helping Grandma do some fishing. Wow, great cast, Grandma.
Yes, I upgraded the reel on my fishing rod so I can cast it out further than ever. Oh, I caught something. Another boot. Add it to the pile.
Keep trying, Grandma. Be careful, you two, or you'll drop an oar. And there goes the other one. Try pulling the rope to raise the sail. It will catch the wind and get you moving. Jumping jackhammers. Now they're stuck out there. Try to stay calm, you two. We'll find a way to get you back to shore. But how? Oh, Grandma, Can you use your fishing rod to hook the next boat and reel them in, please?
I'll certainly try, Gecky. Besides, it would be nice to catch something I actually want for a change.
Spinning screwdrivers! The fishing line isn't long enough!
If only I had a bigger rod.
That's it! Tilly's winch! It's just like your fishing rod, Grandma, only much bigger!
Clever lad. Now, let's get our mini metal ones back to shore.
What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this! An adjustment to Tilly's winch motor. We'll give it the power to cast this life ring out to blue and green. Just a little bit more. There, that should do the trick. Let's cast this ring out beside the boat.
Oh, bravo, Tilly dear. I should take you fishing next time.
Hold on tight. OK, let's reel them in, Tilly. Hey, hooray!
Safe at last. And hungry too, I bet. It's picnic time.
Now this is what I call a catch of the day. Grandma's apple pie.
Look, Yellow's caught something. Oh, it's a sail for the boat.
When nothing seems to go your way, stay calm and think. And it will be OK. Goodbye, everyone. Hi, Vicky. Hello, everyone. Today we're at the beach because... No swimming today, I'm afraid, Max. We're here to help Vicky because her engine won't start. Now, let's see what the problem is. You need a new battery to power your motor. And your freezer needs power to stop all the ice cream from melting. Don't worry, Max. We'll tow Vicky back to the garage. I've got a brand new battery just for you. It's okay, Blue. That sound is just Tilly's turbocharger, which gives her power to tow other vehicles. Oh, no! That sound means Tilly's starter motor has broken. Now her engine won't start either. Oh, nuts and bolts. I need to fix Vicky and Tilly back at the garage. But now we have no way of getting there.
Strawberry ice cream, please. Wait, no, chocolate. Vanilla.
Sorry, Mr. Weasel. Vicky's lost power, so she can't serve any ice cream today.
No ice cream.
We were about to tow Vicky back to the garage, but Tilly broke down too, so now we're all stranded.
We must have ice cream. Sly can tow you back.
Very kind of you to offer help, Mr. Weasel, but I don't think Sly's engine has the power to tow us all.
Oh, I really wanted some ice cream. I really wanted to help. If only Sly had more power.
I have an idea. We'll put Tilly's turbocharger into Sly, then you will have the power to tow us home.
And then we get ice cream?
If we work together, we can fix Tilly and Vicky in time for everyone to have ice cream. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this! First, undo these bolts, then remove the turbocharger. And now we fit it into Sly's engine by bolting it securely.
Righty-tighty. Yes, we did it!
It worked! Now let's get back to the garage. Vicky and Tilly are both fixed up and good as new.
So is it ice cream time now?
What do you think, Vicky? If you're stuck and don't know what to do, help from friends will get you through. Goodbye, everyone.
I'm so happy.
Hello, everyone. Today we're having a garage sale where we offer items we no longer need to others who might want to use them. Like this engine belt.
Garage sale? Junk sale, more like? Hey, this isn't junk. Or this.
Nothing here is junk, Mr. Weasel. Everything can be reused. This belt can help turn the parts of an engine. Would you like it?
Really? I mean, yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, Molly, what's the matter? Your dino vanished while you were playing with this, Teddy. Don't worry. We'll find it. Nuts and bolts! Sly must have thought your dino was in the sale. I'll follow Mr. Weasel and Sly. You wait. Here. Molly, slow down! You might damage your engine by going too fast. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. We need to follow her.
Huh? Look, Sly! It seems Molly wants to overtake, but no one overtakes Wilbur T. Weasel!
What happened? Is everyone okay?
We are? But what's wrong with Molly?
Spinning screwdrivers! Molly's engine belt has broken. But Mr. Weasel, you have a spare engine belt, remember?
Oh, yes! Here it is!
Thanks. We'll fix you up in no time, Molly. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. First, we have to loosen this cog to release the old broken belt. Now loop the new belt around the engine so it can turn the moving parts. There! Ready to go, Molly. Sorry, Sly. Molly's dino wasn't in the sale. Could she have it back, please?
Oh.
Today we learnt that friends who care are your friends who like to share. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today we're at the construction site. Green, Red and I are fitting Dylan with new tyres. Oh, careful, Yellow. These tyres are very big and heavy. I think Eric would like to play too. Can he join your game, please? Oh! Ah! Oh! Watch it! Ah! Oh! 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 Look out, Red! Spinning screwdrivers! We have to stop that tyre before it hurts someone. Well spotted, Yellow. It's headed towards Cat's base. I've got to warn her.
Come in, Gecko. Over.
Cat! There's a giant runaway tyre headed your way.
See? The tire is here. Oh, no. It's gone again. I'll follow the wheel in Helena. We can try to catch it with a net.
A net. Great idea. Uh-oh.
I meant to catch the tire, not you.
No problem, Cat. It's hard to catch a moving target with a moving net. We need to find another way. That's it, Yellow. We'll bash the tyre into the net like a hockey goal. Look out for the tyre from the air, please, Cat. We have to get back to the construction site. I have a plan to catch that tyre. Eric, you'll be the hockey stick. And Dylan, you'll be the goal.
What tool do we need? Wrench!
Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this.
We'll attach the net to this frame to create a giant goal. Then bolt it tight to Dylan's bucket. Ha!
Come in, Gecko. The tire is rolling towards the construction site.
Bouncing brake pads. This is it. Ready, Eric? Ready, Dylan? Let's do this. Steady. Steady. Now, Eric! He shoots. He scores! Koala! Eric's used to digging holes, but he's just as good at scoring goals. Goodbye, everyone! Hello, everyone. I'm repairing the tow hitch on Trevor the Tractor's trailer. And sounds like the Mets are having fun playing with Cat.
Found you, little cuties.
Nuts and bolts! Careful, Blue.
Ready for another round of hide-and-seek mechanicals?
Have fun, but stay inside the garage, please, Mex. We don't want to lose you.
Get ready to hide again, mechanicals. 1, 2, 3. 8, 9. Yes! Ready or not, here I come!
Hey, Trevor, your trailer's fixed. Let me hitch it up for you. All done. See you soon.
Gecko, I can't find Green. We've looked everywhere in the garage, but I still haven't found her.
Let's check my mech finder gadget to be sure where she is. This shows us where the mechs are. Spinning screwdrivers! Green's dot is moving! But where is she going?
Vamos, Gecko. It will be easier to track Green from the air.
Green, stop moving. We're getting close. Cat, prepare for a landing at Trevor's farm. Sorry to bother you, Trevor, but we're looking for...
Oh, no, Trevor!
Oh, that was a nasty fall. Don't worry, pal. We'll get you back on your wheels. Cat, could we use Helena's winch to help Trevor up?
Claro que sí. We're on it.
Oh, I'm so glad we found you, Green. But now we have to help Trevor. We need to re-bolt your exhaust pipe. What tools do we need? Wrench!
Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this.
To fix your exhaust pipe, we'll use big, strong bolts to hold it tight. Righty-tighty. And we're all done.
Oh-ho!
It's kind of you to say sorry to Trevor, Green. I know you didn't mean to hide so far away. But just remember, rules aren't meant to spoil your fun. They help keep the game safe for everyone.
Hey, Green. How about the ride home in Helena?
Goodbye, everyone. What about me? Oh, hello, everyone. Today, we're enjoying some time out in nature. Oh, look at Blue. Oh, wow, the hammock acted like a parachute. I think you should sleep in the tent tonight, Blue. It'll be safer. We're missing a peg for this guy rope. Can you fetch one from the back of Tilly, please, Green? Sounds like Grandma's having a nap. Thanks, Green. Shush, Tilly, or you'll wake.
Grandma!
Oh, no! This isn't a peg. It's the tow pin to connect the caravan to Tilly. Soggy spark plugs. Now Grandma is floating away. Follow that caravan! Check the map, please, Green. Maybe there's a bridge ahead to help us. What's that?
There's a giant waterfall ahead!
Nuts and bolts, we have to save Grandma fast! I'll try and stop the caravan using Tilly's tow hook. Ah, the hammock! I have an idea! You drive, Green, and get alongside the caravan. Made it. I can use these bolts to attach the hammock to the caravan. The tool I need is a drill wrench.
Gecko's Garage, time to fix!
Hang on, Grandma. This could get bumpy.
What a lovely restful sleep. Gecky? Many metal ones?
Grandma, are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. Oh dear. Looks like you need a nap, my lad.
I think you're right, Grandma.
I dreamt I was canoeing down River Rapids and then parachuting. Oh, what a beautiful waterfall. I don't remember seeing that when we arrived. Maybe I should canoe down it.
Oh, goodbye, everyone.